What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and this important video, I want you guys to watch the whole video and let me know in the comment section what you think. Okay, I looked at many things and I'm gonna cover them in this video. I want you to like the video right now, support the channel, please. This is the only thing I'm asking you. Like the video, and if you want, share this video and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so let's get it started. So the reason we are getting a support, I'm gonna cover a lot of things. I don't know which one to cover first, but I want you guys to pay attention. The monthly chart, okay, the reason we are getting rejected is if we completely ignore the shadows that we see in here, in the monthly charts, right? And we only follow and connect these closed monthly candles together and just extend the line, you guys see that how beautifully Bitcoin got rejected on this area. But there is a good support. So this is a very good uh, resistance, but there is a good support from bottom that we had. And if we do the same thing, if we treat this line the same way, only the closed candles, if we go all the way up, you guys see that we got rejection and we got support on this area. We were going sideways for a while, and then we broke above, and then we got support from this line after we broke this line after a while, right? So you can clearly see how these lines can actually show you where the supports and resistance lines are. I'm going to talk about heat map. This is a 6 month heat map, and you guys see a lot of liquidity. Even it's more than $5 billion that I covered in the last video. If we just get the combination of all of these $1 billion liquidations that is putting in here, if you just add them up, it's going to be over $10 billion. Okay, so usually when you guys see something like this, that means that Bitcoin, you guys see that over $6 billion only in this yellow level, right? This very yellow color, right? So I want you guys to pay attention. Usually when we have a lot of liquidity in any level, lower than the price or higher than the price, usually Bitcoin or any chart usually tries to go back to hit that level to grab that liquidity. Okay, so that is the reason, one of the reasons that I'm saying that a lot of people are started to get less bullish, which you guys know me, macro wise, I'm not that bullish for Bitcoin, but I'm not going to try to judge where Bitcoin is going. Okay, I'm just reading you everything, looking at charts and explaining it to you. The judgment, I'm just going to leave the judgments on you. Okay, so I am expecting Bitcoin to start going up back. I'm going to talk about USDT dominance and Bitcoin dominance as well. Okay, Bitcoin is looking, as I covered in the last video, Bitcoin dominance is still looking bullish. Okay, it kind of did a fake out for the last support it had and went up above that level again. Okay, so it is going up, and in my next level that I'm gonna expect Bitcoin to go back up to is going to be almost 60%. Okay, so if we go back up, that does not mean that it's going to be only bullish. You guys see that altcoins have been bleeding very hard, although Bitcoin has only retraced maybe $8,000 from 72K that he recently touched. So now I'm gonna go to the daily chart, and you guys see that the same monthly chart, the same line shows how great the support and resistance we had. Okay, so we had this touch, and then we started going back up. We got rejected above this level, below this level, and going to back to retouch this line, and there is still a chance of touching at $63,000. That will be bottom of this line. And I was expecting to not go six. I mean, I did not say that I wasn't expecting. I said I would say as long as we are above $67,000, Bitcoin should be fine. Okay, we even went that back down to $64,000, and but it's still, I am seeing the support as long as we have not broken below this level, which will be $62,000. If we go back down to $62,000 and close the daily candle, that's going to be very dangerous for Bitcoin, and that will support the idea of, I said, for USDT dominance, I was expecting, I had this line long time ago, and I said that I am expecting a rejection around this level. And as long as we're not going above this yellow line, there is a chance of going back down to revisit this level. Okay, there is another support for USDT dominance. USDT dominance works like DXY. So well, if since it's going up, you guys see that altcoins and Bitcoin is bleeding, right? If Bitcoin pumps, that we should see USDT going down, right? For USDT, I mean Bitcoin dominance, this is my next level that I'm expecting because we had this sideways for a while for Bitcoin dominance. You guys see that choppy sideways for a while for almost from February 21st to April 21st. Right? How many months is that? Is like a couple months, right? So after a couple months, we broke. As soon as we broke, we went down very sharp, and that was the time I think altcoins were rallying right after that. Okay, so there is still a chance of Bitcoin going back up here and get rejected. And if it gets rejected, so far we need to hope that Bitcoin is not going to keep dropping. Okay, although the US Bitcoin dominance looks bullish, and if Bitcoin keeps dropping, that means altcoins are gonna bleed as hell. That's all I'm gonna say. Because if Bitcoin is going down and still dominance is going higher, that means alt money is getting out of altcoins, right? Just to simplify that, right? But USDT dominance is kind of breaking a little bit higher than I was expecting. I was expecting to start getting rejected around this of 4.5 or 6%. It is around that area right now. So let's see how it's going to perform in the next couple of days. So make sure to subscribe. I will update you guys as soon as I see the new change. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and join the Telegram group. We have over 130 or 40 people. And if you guys want to join the membership, we have another VIP membership Telegram where all of our members share their ideas, ask their questions, and I answer their questions. So this is about it for Bitcoin. So far we see two really good support and resistance. So that's why we see a lot of choppy sideways for a while for over almost 4 months. And it's really boring, and I understand. I am still keeping my altcoins. The small holdings that I have, I understand a lot of people just kept pouring into altcoins especially, and they are losing money. That was the reason I was telling you guys to be careful and manage your money. Do not just think because we have ETFs now and we have passed through halving, everything is going to just go up. That does not mean anything. We can still go back lower if we lose this line, and we might still go back down to lower 50s. Okay, so you guys need to make sure that you are careful, because I still see a lot of good support around $49,000. So let's see how it's going to perform. We are far away from there. As long as we are still going choppy sideways within these two lines, I would not call it either bullish or bearish. So that's about it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification button. Give this video a free like. I really appreciate it. Share your ideas, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.